Make a great choice today with the 2026 CR-V Hybrid. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, 8 speakers, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.